What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode I'm at Saigon Zoo in Ho Chi Minh. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to find what I see. Meet people, live through, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on my trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Alright, so we're here, 60,000 dong, which is about $2, just over $2. Just want to see the money here. Thank you. Alright, let's go. Okay, thank you. See what animals we can find. They're supposed to have, I saw pictures of elephants and tigers, and they must have more than that too. So we don't know where to start. We're just going to explore the whole zoo. This way there was a sign that said it's supposed to be lions, tigers, crocodiles, and chimpanzees. So we'll see how many of those we can find, and hopefully they're not hiding from the rain that we just had. It's not a scorching hot day because the rain cooled down the air a lot, so it's kind of nice now. Okay, we found some monkeys in a cage. We're going to see what kind they are. The sign said there was chimpanzees, so I think it could be the chimpanzee enclosure. And if you ever visit this place and you come here, just remember, please do not climbing. Oh, rhino, dude. All right, there's a rhino over here. Hey, buddy. Hey. He looked at me. It's like a big ostrich over here, or emu or something. One of the best parts is this place is right in the heart of the city. You can see the buildings there. So you don't have to travel far. It was only 2 kilometers from our hotel. We actually tried walking here, but then it started raining, so we took a taxi like half the way. And here's a majestic elephant. Oh nice, he's gonna eat now. Having some lunch? They're throwing him some veggies on the ground and he's eating it. Alright, there's some more animals over this bridge. We think it might be the lions. So let's see what they've got. What are these, like water buffalo?
Wildebeest.
Ah, wildebeest. Hey, buddy.
Right at you.
You want to smile for the camera? Hey, buddy. These two got their antlers stuck together. Ah. Alright, so now we're walking back away from these deers, and we're going to try to explore more of the other side of the zoo, because the signs said they had crocodiles and lions too. So we need to explore and go find those. Let's go.
paint. It moves ever so slightly, see?
Oh my god! They put these here to scare people. The first one got me. So this is the crocodile enclosure, but we're going around because you can stand on a platform and take a better look. So we found the tiger. Look how big it is. Look at these otters cuddling. There's two right there. This flamingo enclosure looks crazy. You can kind of see them far in the distance. There's flamingos over there chirping. I guess these are the saddest cages so far. The bird ones are pretty small and they can't go anywhere. And now we found our way out. Looks like there's a school here and school's getting out. This is where you could work if you became a teacher. So if you're interested in teaching abroad or living in Vietnam and you want a way to pay your bills, there's an example of a school you could work at. And I've got links below in the description for AVSE TESOL. It's a government accredited program and they line you up with a job afterwards. So it's worth, go check out the website and start a rewarding career today where you can see the world or live in Ho Chi Minh like this. And well, that's gonna do it for this episode. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Until next time, remember, how you spend your days is the way you spend your life. It's never too late to start tripping out.
My name's Tom. This is my trip out.
Looks like he's smiling. He's dancing.